G'day and welcome back to the channel. This video here is on the Eco mower 520, and this mower here is about 25-30 years old. This one here is 2022. I know I did a servicing video on that not long ago. I've had a few issues with oil coming out of the exhaust, so that's not a good thing. Mrs. decided she wanted to mow the lawn, but she wanted one she could start. So I had a bit of a look around to the mower centre, just online at a few things. What I did see was they don't make them like they used to. So that's a tank. This is ultralight, and I've got to look a bit further at maybe at Honda or some other type of brand. So anyway, this video is on the Ego here. So I'll just show you the box. That probably wasn't a good example. So it's an Ego is the brand name. It's a battery powered, it's 52 centimeters, 520 millimeter cordless mower, 7.5 amp battery, up to 50 hours run time, depending on the size of your yard. It's self-powered, and you get a blower with it. It's a combo pack. So for a little over 1,000, that's what it comes with. It might retail cheaper in other countries. It is made in China. But Eco is one of the brands that are doing quite well. There's Makita that make one. There's a few other brands that make a few good powerless tools. The battery that's used in the mower can be used in the blower, although we haven't used the blower yet. So I'm going to show you how it works. Before I do that, I'll just show you underneath the mower. So this is the battery, and it is a big battery. It comes with a charger. It is a big box that it comes in. It comes assembled pretty much. All you do is lift it out of the box and just fold the handles back and you're good to go. But I do suggest charging the battery out first. It might take a little while longer because it's been in storage for some time. But normally after you mow the lawn, leave the battery for about an hour. It doesn't get hot, but you know, if you're going to charge a battery up, you don't charge it hot. Otherwise it kills the life of the battery. And then it charges it up pretty quick in about half an hour to full charge. So I'll show you. Before I show you the, oh no, I'll go. So you've got a handle here, so that's always handy. That's where the battery goes in there. These are your self-propelled things, and it also comes with a catcher. So we're looking underneath the mower now. You'll see two single blades, and they're pretty sharp. And what they do is actually chop the grass, not cut the grass. So it cuts it pretty fine, and that's what you're seeing around here. So I'm going to put the battery in, and I don't like all this stuff we're hanging around here. It's going to need a blowout, but anyway, for the purposes of this exercise, in goes the battery. Okay, it's in there. Turn it on. Got two things left. So when you first get it, and you can pull this cord, turn this to get your speed. Battery's gone off. My fault, wasn't in properly. So if you first get this and you go, oh yeah, away we go, you're moving it self-propelled wise, but you haven't started the motor. So don't freak out. What you got to do is hold this down. This is the power button. Another thing too, if you don't have these clips in properly, for some reason, it won't start. This is the charger that comes with it. So I'll show you how that goes. All you do is find matching lines. Slide it on there, like so. Turn the power on. Looks like it wouldn't start on 25% for whatever reason. It's showing 2 lights here. Maybe that is the 25%. Interesting. Another interesting aspect would be to see how long after you mowed the lawns and whatever that you fully charge it up. How long would it last charged? If it over a couple of weeks or so, or would it just be a dead flat after a week? Because if that's the case, then it's pointless in my opinion. And like anything battery, it's only good when you got power to charge it. Just another thing I thought I'd chuck in there, the time, it's 10 to 4, and we'll see how long it takes to charge up. Okay, so as you can see, the lights are all up there to 100%, battery turns off by itself, and it's 4:15, so about a half an hour charge from 25%. So I'll take it out now to the garage and show you how it works. Right, so now that I've got the battery charged up, let me demonstrate again how it actually works. It should click in there like so. To release it, you pull that lever up and it will pop out. So power on, close the hatch. This is just speed of the self-propelled. Right, so squeezing those in, propel along. You don't have to use the self-propelled. What you're hearing at the moment is the rain on the roof too. So I'm going to start the mower up now. You've got to make sure that the handlebars are fully extended, otherwise it won't work. So how are we doing that? Move. So that's the power actually working. So that's how you power up the mower. Press that and hold this lever here back. Push the mower. If you want to engage self-propelled, do that as well. And away you go. But just notice then when you turn the mower on, it's already one light missing, but that's probably what it does to operate it, I guess. I don't know. But that's all there is to it. So it's back to the future. Last couple of days we had torrential rain for 3 days straight. The garage flooded a bit, but it's not as bad as other places. Just the drains couldn't take the rain. So last time, it's been about a week now, we had to charge the battery up to actually talk about the battery. So it's been in storage now a week. This is it here. So we're going to turn the light on and see how much battery charge is still left in this battery. Well, it's showing a full charge, so that's good. That's what I need because I've got a bit of work ahead of me. We'll see how this ego actually works. You can see, you may not see the grass length, but it's gonna be tested today, that's for sure. So we'll get it going, get this backyard done. Got the side and front to do. See how we go. Well, the battery's in there. I'll give it a crack and see how it will know this is the grass. Maybe I need to give it a whip snip first. Battery's in there. Okay. Power on. Pull it up. Time now is 5:15. This is the style of cut it gives you. So when it does cut, it doesn't blow all the grass on the concrete like a normal one would. Okay, it's now 5:05. I think I started at 5:15 and I finished the lawns, the back, the side, the front, and I've still got 3 lights to go. It started on 4 lights straight up, so you can see when you drive over the edge here, there's not much grass blowing over the edge. Admittedly, I did raise it high on here, but I lowered it around the side. So, bit of a winner, I suppose. I wouldn't have even finished whip and slipping by this stage, then to mow the lawn. So I didn't use the catcher, didn't use the mulcher, just mowed it. So bugger if I know where all the stuff goes. Probably back in. Not bad for electric battery mower, I suppose. But it's all plastic, so we'll see how long that lasts. So to power up, you press that, you hear it click, pull this lever back, and that will engage the blades. I didn't use the self-propelled stuff, otherwise you will be going through battery uses, I suppose. So anyway, quick video.